Okay, I just want to show you how simple these homemade tortilla chips are. We love these in our home. My boys love it when I make them. They're a great vehicle when you want to have a chip that's really going to scoop things up. So Cranberry Lime Salsa, that is also on my website. That recipe is amazing. The guacamole, those types of things, great for that. Amazing flavor with our Tahitian lime oil. So super simple. Have our mixing bowl, grab some corn tortillas, and we're just gonna use our kitchen scissors to cut those in half, and then again in thirds, so you have a perfect triangle chip size. And then we're gonna just do that again. And then I like to just toss these in a bowl and kind of massage them with my fingers to make sure that they are being evenly coated with the Tahitian lime oil. We don't have too much oil, but you want to have enough oil to coat them, because that's going to make them nice and crispy. Now you could also brush them on with the silicone pastry brush if you prefer that. Me, I like to just kind of toss them around, and again, I can make sure that each end is getting coated well. So then, once I know that they're coated on both sides with the lime oil, then I'm just going to layer them on my banh mat, and I do it as such so that I can fit as many as possible on there. And then I'm going to sprinkle them with salt. So we like to have a finer salt, so our natural flake salt. If you're going to use that, you want to grind them up in a salt shaker. But a finer salt is excellent. A celery salt or something is fantastic. And then you're going to, once I cover the banh mat with these chips, then you're going to sprinkle with salt, and you're going to put them in the oven. Just going to sprinkle like that, and you're going to put them in the oven at 400 degrees. They're going to take about 10 minutes, but you want to check them after 6 minutes, because they can go from perfect to burnt in about 1 minute. So definitely keep an eye on them. Okay, so the chips are finished, and you can see they get nice and golden brown, and they're super crispy. Hear them crunch. Delicious, super easy. So then we're just gonna slide them all. They come right off this banh mat and slide right into our bowl for serving. And these are gonna be so delicious tomorrow with some cranberry lime salsa. Another little tip I want to show you is when you have something on the banh mat that you want to put in a bowl, look how cool it is. You can just kind of pick the banh mat up, slide it in.